Looking for the best pet pen? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 pet pen on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Outback Jack Happy Habitat Cat Playpen Tent. Comes with over 30 square feet of playing space. Ultra lightweight and easy to put up and take down. Can accommodate small dogs and cats, even guinea pigs and rabbits. Great for both indoor and outdoor use. A perfect solution for indoor cats that long to be outside and suitable for smaller dogs when supervised. Its all mesh sides and base tend to snag cat claws. At number 2. Midwest Homes for Pets Folding Metal Exercise Pen. Comes with thumb snaps and corner stabilizers that allow for easy assembly. Ground stakes secure pen when used outdoors. Includes a step-through door for easy entrance and exit. Can also be connected to a crate for extra room. A durable exercise pen that provides a safe and secure outdoor playtime solution. Cannot be secured to tile or wood floors, so not the best option for indoor use. At number 1. Iris USA Exercise Pet Playpen. Provides enough room for pets to play, eat, and sleep. Great option for both indoor and outdoor use. Features a door with built-in, twistable locks for easy entry and exits. Non-skid rubber feet protect flooring from scratches. A spacious and portable pen that works as a playgate or fence. Best suited for medium to large sized dogs. Doesn't come with a topper, so some larger pets may be able to leap over and escape. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.